I'm Lauren, and this is Making Cables Easier to Work. The method is straightforward. You add a yarn over in between the stitches being cabled on the next row. Knit all the stitches in pattern. Here I'm working 2x2 cables, so I'm adding a yarn over in the middle. So it's knit 2, yarn over, knit 2, over what will become a 2x2 cable on the next round. On larger cables, such as 4x4 or 6x6, I'll add 2 yarn overs. And there's our yarn over. On the cable row, drop the yarn over and absorb the slack in the stitches being crossed. Work the cable however you normally would. I'm not using a cable needle here, but it's even easier if you are, since you only need to slip the stitches once to the cable needle. Here it is again, slipping my stitches to drop the yarn over, then using that slack to more comfortably work the cable. You'll see here at the end, but the topmost stitches can sometimes look extra large with this method. I find this usually goes away with wearing and washing, but you can always use a needle or hook to redistribute the slack to nearby stitches. And there we are.